Today we're going to get some spiritual animal messages. See what comes out. Shuffle, then we're gonna cut the deck. I actually saw a hawk the other day, so let spirit be with you. You might see a parrot. Watch your words. Bottom of the deck, dolphin spirit. This and that are true. So there's always two sides to a story. Remember that. What spirit messages? Okay. Owl, you can see clearly now. What else, spirit? Or you see clearly now, and that you can see clearly now. You might see an owl. To confirm this message is for you. Swan spirit, time for a deep dive. And that's probably why you see clearly now, because you dive deeper into the root cause. Dog spirit, be loyal to what you love. No matter what you do to a dog, they're always gonna love you. They're always loyal. So you need to do that for the things that you love, as long as those things also love you back. Don't be giving your all to things and people just taking from you. Whale spirit, trust the great mystery. Cow spirit, the miracles are endless. Miracles are always blessings we don't see coming. So with this whale spirit, always, I feel like this is trusting the unknown. Okay, that's too many. It gave me 3. I don't want 3. One card, please. One card, please. Since I've been around, I'm not done. Somebody might miss y'all with this Valerie playing in the background. You tired of them making a fool of you, and that's probably why you see clearly now. And with this groundhog spirit, it's time to let go. And with this elephant spirit, learn from the past. Elephants don't forget anything. So I feel like this is a message. Don't forget what happened to you in the past. Remember it, but don't hold on to it. Be loyal to those who are loyal to you. If somebody in the past hurt you continuously, don't go back to that person. Yes, people change, but you only got one time to show me who you truly are, and I'm out of there. What else, spirit? What else, spirit? Somebody might be contacting you, telling you to come over because they're ready to tell their truth. Bottom of the deck, we got success. So this could be success in letting go. This could be success in maybe rekindling with someone else. Owl spirit. Owl spirit. One card, please. You are protected. Spirit is protecting you at this time. I'm just going to take them. Spirit keeps giving me multiple cards. So you have the intelligence, that's why you can see clearly now, and you have the strength to dive deeper into the root cause. What else? Swan spirit. Why is swan spirit here? But I did see more metamorphosis right there, so you guys are going through a change with this deep dive. As you dive deeper, you're going through a change, which is a great thing because you don't want to always be the same. I think that you realize there has to be an ending, but it also came out in reverse. So maybe you don't want something to end. So I'm gonna put it how it came out. Dog spirit. And right now you might be bashful, you might be shy, timid. But I feel like your creativity is going to bring you out of that. What else about this dog spirit? Let me turn this down a little bit. I don't want YouTube to copyright me. What else, dog spirit? And you're happy being around those who are loyal to you. You might be seeing ladybugs right now. I've seen a few ladybugs. One actually landed on my son the other day. And you're following your intuition to go towards your happiness. Whale spirit. Give me 2. Okay, you prepared for what's to come, and you have the inspiration to keep going. Even when you don't know what's gonna happen, everything that you do is preparing you for the next step, whether we realize it or not, and you're confident because you are prepared. Cow spirit. Cow spirit. Too many spirit. Come on. Cow spirit. There's 2 confirmations on owls, so you guys need to sit down and get some wisdom on the situation, because if you don't, you're going to be stagnant. Only you know what you need to see clearly on. Only you know what you need wisdom on. And when you do this deep dive, it'll pinpoint a little bit more where you need to have wisdom and intelligence and strength, so you don't face this ending. What else, spirit? Mischief. Why is mischief here? Sorry. My allergies are kicking my butt. I can't sleep with the AC on, but it's too hot to not have it on. Mischief, why is this here? It felt like this, so this is how I'm gonna put it. Maybe you guys haven't freed yourself from the mischief. And that's why you need wisdom, so you can change. So there might still be some things that you're doing that are not approving of spirit. I mean, we all sin in our own different ways. If you believe in sins, whatever your religious beliefs are. But we all do things we're not supposed to. Independence. Why is independence here? Deceit. I don't like that energy. I'm gonna use another deck to clarify that. You're lying to yourself. You're not satisfied where you are with this satisfaction. You're lying to yourself. And you know that. That's why you're not free. You're lying to yourself. Stop lying to yourself. That's why it's time to let go. feeling that you're in, or the situation you're in right now, is not freeing you. You feel stagnant. You feel stuck. You're lying to yourself that you're happy there and you're not. It's time for you to let romance in. It's time for you to lead with love. And with this leadership, I feel like this is the first step to starting over. Maybe you didn't want that ending in the beginning, but it's time to let that ending happen. I just want to get a little deeper on this mischief and deceit cards while they're here. Spirit, why is mischief and deceit here? Why is mischief and deceit here? You're moving slow. The judgment will be called. With this Two of Cups at the bottom, it might be a soulmate because romance is here. This could be somebody from your past, but you've healed, or they're healing. Somebody's healing. And they have the strength. They're waiting on their ships to come in. They're going towards their passions. So I feel like you change your mind. You decide, you know what I'm saying, to no longer live in that mischief and deceit energy and free yourself from that. Yeah, with the world, it's a new cycle for you. It's a new cycle in love, giving the full love. Oh, look at that. The Lovers is behind it. And you're ready to take that leap. You're tired of being fake and you're manifesting a new beginning. So I'll leave that there. It's 12:12 on the clock. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. Anything you need to know about me is in the description box. So I'm going to leave that there. Bye.